Good morning, YouTubers. I recently posted the question on Gardening Stack Exchange asking whether a bath could be used as a biochar kiln, and it doesn't look like anybody has got any experience in this. And fortuitously, yesterday, my neighbour gifted me this dead tree. I'd been sitting on the verge for a while, and only recently realised to be dead, and yesterday it was chopped down. Now, some of these larger pieces are not suitable for forming biochar without reduction into smaller pieces, and I don't have the energy for that, so I'll use the smaller pieces, kindling size pieces. It may not be dry enough, but we'll see, but I do have fairly dry pine cones which I can also use, and I have this old cast iron bath which I'm going to use as the kiln. Now, normally a biochar kiln has a conical shape so that the peak of the cone allows minimal oxygen to be provided, so that pyrolysis takes place in a low oxygen environment. Now, this is not a cone shape, but it's similar to the trough designs that I've seen online, and I might just try and make it more cone-like by lining the edges with bricks inside. But anyway, we'll see. I got the bath in place. It's sitting in a trench that's been dug for the new house. We'll use it for the moment. Now, I've got a brick over the drain to stop the oxygen coming in, and I'll line the edges with more bricks to try and form that conical shape. Well, this is as far as I've got, and I can't stack any more bricks on top because these are the only 5 bricks I've got. They came from my chimney. These aren't the hollow ones. These are solid. Now to start putting some wood waste in here. I've got this nearly full now. I shouldn't go above the brim. I've actually gone back and removed the brick covering the drain hole, filled it with dirt and put it back on again, so that when I quench the fire, hopefully the water will stay inside the bathtub. And it's a nice day, cloudy, it's just rained earlier, and there's no wind. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Bit of smoke. Looks like that old letter I used wasn't dry enough. We'll see. I've got the centre of it going. I just need to get the sides burning as well. Just need a bit more material. And it looks like it's not a bad burn. Hardly any smoke. No vortices that I can see. The white charring that we see there means it's time to add more material, so we don't just burn it, we actually charcoal it. I've run out of material to burn, and I might as well quench the fire now. Most of this is all white at the top, which is when I should start quenching. But I do have some urine that I'm going to use. And get the hose on it now. It's all quenched now, and I'm just going to let it sit and see if all the sediment falls out of the water. It's making a rather odd humming noise. Boiling, I guess. So the biochar is fully quenched now, or the charcoal is fully quenched, and the water looks clear. Hard to tell really. Which is what good biochar should look like, with all the volatile oils removed. I'm just going to find one of these. Wow, look at that. It's still hot. They say, wow, it's still very hot. They say that when it breaks, it sounds like glass. I want to see some more. It's charred pine cones. Well, it's pine cones turned into charcoal. Okay, thanks for watching.